Hello, folks. So, this is again continuing on Hosho, and this time my goal is a little more concrete than last time. The previous two episodes were, the planning, general idea of getting the direction of where we want to go, making sense out of whatever AI did, and all of that. This video, I want to get hotel working locally with LGTM backend. I'm not going to worry about deploying it to Cloudflare just yet. But locally, I wanted to work with LGTM backend work functioning, right? And of course, I'm going to make it configurable so I can deploy it with LGTM disabled. But that's not really meaningful, so I'm just going to not deploy it. That's the goal. All right. I hope that I'm audible properly, and I'm just going to hope. My previous video had no audio. Okay, I just going to verify quickly on the stream that I'm audible. I mean, I did verify some time back, should be okay. I have 4 subscribers already. Alright, who are these people? I'm not expecting folks to watch this, I don't really know. It's not showing me that I'm live. Okay, just showing. Folks to watch this, I don't really. Okay, cool, I'm audible. That's it. Happy. Let's do this. So in the previous video, what I did was I set up our error handling in the exporter main telemetry. What is this? We don't need this. Oh, this is something the AI had created. I don't need this crap anymore. I have a much cleaner version of the thing, which is our standard library. Standard error library. Yeah, okay, there are more traces here. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll undo it for now. I'm going to copy the thing. I'm going to go to errors dot. I don't have an errors dot YAML. What? Are you telling me what happened? Oh, sorry. Where am I? Wait, what? Standard error is not there in this. Why? Did I do that in main? I can't just keep losing my changes. This is nothing. This is the place. I don't see config either. What's going on? I'm just repeating the same old stuff again and again. This is. I'm just gonna sync this comment. What? What? Too much deja vu, dude. I can always do it again, but I don't want to just waste time here. I don't get it. So ingested cargo terminal doesn't have standard error, doesn't have config. That means I don't even have settings. Do have preload. Okay, this is all the crap that AI has created. I'm gonna clean all this up right away. Okay, I'm just gonna ignore you, Mr. Ingest error, and all of this is gonna go. I don't care about any of this. Fuck off. Okay. I have a crate for this too. What? Oh, sorry. I'm gonna have to get this set up within the next 5 minutes. I can't waste time on this. There's another crate I use called config in order to load envs. I also need another crate called lazy static, which lets me lazy load the settings. Cool. So ingest error. Not bad. Standard error. I need the LSP to be with me here. I can't work without LSP. What is wrong? LSP restart. Okay, maybe I do need to do a compile. It's a good song. Add it to playlist. Okay, so how again? I have to manage my time better. We are in 6 minutes in right now. By 15 minutes, I want the settings set up, and I want the stupid error thing that the AI has added out, and I want standard error in. And I'm gonna do this by hand. I'm not gonna ask Codex to do any more thing than it needs to. Okay. Alright. Thank you. I don't care. I don't care about the compilers. That's good. As long as it shows up here. Come on. Alright. Please. What? What is going on? Why were there so many unsaved changes? Okay, I cannot code without the LSP. Okay, this is just stupid. What is wrong with you? Active clients Rust analyzer. Why is it not working? What is this? I want to go back to 2019. I don't want to go back to 2003. I'll get this. I'll get this. I'll get this. Okay, meanwhile, I'm going to get rid of the... Okay, reload. At least the imports are showing. I'm going to open this. Finally. Thank you. Thank you. I don't need Axum here. I don't need any Faraday here. Font Y. Cool. That's all. That's all supposed to be there. Reload. I'm pretty sure I have reload as well. Yeah, okay. Cool. So let me go to internal now. Under internals, I'm going to look at specs first. Under specs, I have capture. What? Okay. There's no ingest error. Remove this. It will be used create preload result. That's fine. Ingest error is gonna be standard error. Ingest result. Okay. I do need some parallel. I need to go to the file. My JKR flipped in my with conflict for the resize. It doesn't matter. Yeah, what is this? Beautiful. Thank you. What next? We have a here. Cool. So we have our yes. Return, right? Okay, interpolation here. Alright, so what all do we have here? This is a capture RS which basically models the hard data and the console data that we get from our extension. Alright, so the first thing we have is console record, which has a log level, the body, the argument, which is a vector, and I'm pretty sure we're gonna like format it into one line and timestamp. And I don't know what the URL is supposed to be, but it doesn't matter. Maybe it's a tab URL or something. Cool. Then we have a try from implemented to JSON value. So if we are getting a JSON value and we want to build this essentially, then that's what this is. We'll convert the stuff. This is fine. I'm fine with AI code here, and it does make sense. It's looking for keys for level and then building out the type. I'm okay with that. Fine. Then we have a hard record which has request, response timing, and trace context. Which is fine. We are doing everything from value, so we are building stuff. So okay, we're just mapping from value here, which is fine. Okay, why do we have a value to live in? This is okay though. This is fine. It's like new, but that's fine. It's fine. It's fine. And it's nested serializing over there. Same thing for request and response. We have data that's relevant there. We have headers, name, value. I'm okay with that. Honestly, I would prefer it to be a map, but it's fine. Content, MIME type. Okay, sure. This function, I'm not sure where this is being called. Show me your, sorry, show me your usages. It's called right here. This is a drive ROM. I feel that's too small of a function to be over there. It's okay. Right. I'd rather have the logic right here. It's fine. Read owned capture RS. Standard error. Remove extra utility. Cool, we own one. Now let's look at the other stuff. So we have network RS, which is doing this. Doesn't have to stay anymore. Maybe I should just get rid of it and then see what breaks. Let's start from the handler. Okay, first of all, again, this you don't exist. You do. You do. Alright. The rest is okay. The conversion is probably gonna fail right now. Look at that as a result. Cool. Oh, this one I changed before already. Okay. Okay, now the reason this question mark is working is because export har I think is already doing a standard error. Alright. 13 minutes ago I did this. What? Did I? Okay. Traces, logs. What's the payload? It's a module, okay. Telemetry batch. I don't like tiny functions. I really don't like Uncle Bob's this one thing. Why? Why is this thing? Wait, this is all this function contains? This package contains? Oh, perfect. I'm killing this. I'm gonna open this if I need to. You guys are handlers in just RS. Yeah, telemetry export har. No. Payload is under what? I don't. Oh, wait, what? Why? Why are these things? What? No, sorry. This is gonna go to the mod for now. What are these files, dude? Sure. I'm just gonna put it in mod for now. I'll refactor it as needed. So first of all, payload.rs is dying. Bye bye. Thank you. Super config. What is config? What is this for? Okay, let me quickly fix this. I'm gonna go to my settings dot. I don't have settings configured. I'll do that quickly. So I'm gonna go to my this thing. I'm gonna add a settings with RS. I'm gonna go to my lib. I'm gonna set up a pub mod settings. I'm gonna go to that. I'm gonna do a struct settings. Alright, this is gonna need a derive deserialize. Alright, where will deserialize a struct. I'm gonna implement a new function on the struct. Settings. I don't know what happens to my LSD. Right, I'm gonna have a new, which is gonna do a result, and the result is grade prelude result cell. Alright, and I'm gonna not actually no, I don't need prelude result here because this is specific to config. This is gonna be config error, which comes from the config crate. Alright, and then we're gonna do config, I think I can turn off the AC, just get to the noise, but it's already cold. Config dot builder, I think, yeah. Add source, environment, just read environment variables, and then it's just build. Cool, and I can just question mark this because that works. Show me expected expected settings got config. This is not cells. This is it's supposed to be settings. What are you doing? Supposed to be this only. Let's see, go to this. What is C? It's a result. Yeah, then I do want to propagate it. What's the issue? If it's a config, then I should be able to do a question mark on it. What's the issue? What does this expect? Source, which is what I gave, right? Expected value. I have to check this out quickly. Okay. That's no difference. Okay, so we have this. I think I can just return that. Perfect. Cool. Now I need a lazy static macro in which I'm going to do a pub static reference to settings, which is going to be type settings. My recipe needs a second. I'm just going to type it, which is going to be settings new. And if this fails, I'm just going to crash the program by saying improperly configured. Alright, it did not import the macro, did it? That's why the LSD is not working there, I think. I don't know why this happens sometimes. Dude, by the way, bear in mind I'm typing without looking at my keyboard. The mic is in my face. So it's good for my typing skills, so I do want to do that, but perfect. So we have our settings configured. Now we can add this stuff here. So we can have hotel collector endpoint, which is gonna be a string. What is service name? Service namespace I can buy. It's like what's going to be used in the matrix prefix, right? Our prefix are probably going to be like hosho.endpoints or something. So this is also a string. What else? I don't know what the scope version thing is. Okay, this much I can buy. You can go away. Service name. That can be hard coded. Okay, what is scope version? Fuck off. We'll figure out. Mind message. Alright, so we have this ODLB signal, which is not the right thing. Why are we even inventing this? Are we still implementing the OpenTele? Are we still implementing HTTP client? No, Why do we need this then? I don't know. Where was this used? This is all crappy. Nope, fuck off. I'm just gonna delete it. This too. What is this? What is it? Okay, that's something. It's getting a Hosho from. It's creating a trace ID, which is coming from the record. I think this is meaningful. But dude, why a separate thing? Just put it in. Put it under. Why is it under spec at all? It should be under capture. Nah. I don't know what to call it yet. Put it under mod itself. We'll figure out. The mod is just getting bigger and bigger, dude. Okay, go back to IDs. Keep it here for now. It's okay. This is fine. I have to get rid of our what is this file? Strategy. You have a file called strategy. This is what happens when you ask AI to follow design patterns. Yeah, what is that scope of this for? Okay, first of all I have to get rid of that one thing, right? What was that thing? Exporter. I don't know, this is the actual exporter. Where was the thing where it was in mod? Okay, cool. Set JSON value, yeah, import. Okay, payload can come out. Use set JSON value. Okay, these guys have to go. Taking the handlers and just yeah. This can just be. It can be telemetry. Exporter, no, it's just exporter. Telemetry package is getting from where? Exporter is a separate package as well. No? What's our grade structure again? We have internal telemetry mod, which we have these functions. Okay, the telemetry patch is now in telemetry, right? Yeah, so first of all, no, that's fine. Telemetry is pub, and that's the issue. Telemetry, the parent of this guy, it is pub. Then I should be able to use it, right? I'm already doing telemetry export R. Then why not? Okay, that's fine. Where is the exporter coming from? Exporter. What is that? Where is that? Mod exporter is under telemetry. Okay, that should be pub. Alright, so this can be telemetry exporter export. Actually, no, we should have some level of, what is that thing called? The hiding thing. Public private behavior. There's some term for it, I forgot about it. Encapsulation, yeah. We need to have some encapsulation here. I cannot have our. I cannot have this be pub. Honestly, no. No. This cannot be pub. Oh, within telemetry, this guy cannot be pub. That's fine. Let me go to exporter. Let's fix this guy first, because that's why we have all this stuff, right? What all is this? First of all, fix the error handling. I just cannot, errors YAML. What? Why doesn't it show up? Alright, let's fix this first. Get rid of this. Get rid of this. Get rid of this. Alright, use grade keyboard. Result. Thank you. Right. This can be settings dot point 1 second settings with RS. These have to be pub. Yeah, I mean colored stuff is beautiful. Cool. Thank you. This doesn't have to be a separate thing, dude. There's so many small functions. What is wrong with GPT 5.5, Uncle Bob? It's just hard to read. It doesn't make any sense. Anyway, the export is what is called. So it first of all creates a new exporter. Is it created every time? And the exporter only has an endpoint. Kidding me? Alright, let's fix this. Why is export a function? Okay, because this guy is not public. Yeah, I don't care. I don't care about this. It also has an export. Strategy. No, this is horrible. This is not readable. Dude. You know what? In a way, I think AI coding is good for having readable code, because it'll just make stuff and then you'll basically see by the perspective of somebody who's reading your code. So you will end up solving things. 30 minutes, fine. Yeah, what is this? I want to get something working. Am I just fixing this code here? Hate that. What all do we have here? Okay. We have a function called export. I'm just gonna do a use super.telemetry batch here just to get the error out of my way. Export request is also pretty sure it's over there. Sorry, I'm not gonna do this manually. Alright. I don't want to ask AI anything. I'm done with it. Okay? I don't even want to look at it. It's just doing too much crap. I don't want to. I mean, I could have asked the standard error thing for as an AI task, but I don't know what else it'll change. I really don't want to. Alright. What does this mean? Is there a detail? No. Alright. So it's basically trying to deserialize, serialize the body to string. So I'm just gonna say request body not a valid JSON. What is this is wrong, dude. What, are you not going to support any JSON, non-JSON requests here? Doesn't make any sense. I'm just going to be a little turn off any other part of my brain and just fix the errors, right? For error handling right now. So the code will compile and I'll be able to do something. Pain. Can this be a macro? Let's try. We're doing a macro. Always get the. No, I'm gonna fire it. Okay, I'm gonna try, but. Alright. I did record a macro. Let's see if it works. No! I recorded the macro again. And now nothing's gonna happen. I'll record it again. So it will basically jump here, remove this function, make it standard error new, then jump here and delete till the question mark, put a quote, close twice, end macro. I don't know, now it's forget it. It's not gonna work. It's not gonna work because this is an ERR thing. And why am I recording a macro right now? I don't even know what the error message is supposed to be. It did work. Okay, my macro is working, which is good. But is it just pasting the same thing? Why are all these 002? Are all these 002? What is wrong with AI? Okay, fine, it's all initialization issue. I don't even know what this is supposed to be. What is it supposed to be? Error. Sporting request. I don't know, I don't like that, but okay. My macro is working at least. Ah! Why do I have new.new? What is going on? Okay, I do need to interpolate it. And first of all, I'm going to Yeah, do an interpolation. Alright, happy. Just get the code compiled. At least I want to go somewhere or so much. Shitty code though, shitty code. It's not shitty code, but it's just too much crap. Why are these such tiny crates? Not crates, modules. Figure out what is strategy supposed to be? Why do you have... You do have a trait which has one function called requests, which takes in telemetry batch and gives an export request. This is stupid. I'm telling you, this is stupid. What is this crap? What are these two structs? Just go away. I really hate. What are these tiny things? I don't really lose my changes by asking coders to do something crappy. Okay, the specs are okay at least. Metric point has name, unit, kind. Okay. This is again a custom invented thing. You have a key value, right? Use that in attributes. Okay. This is fine. This is still okay. But it's not supposed to. You know what? Let's write a prompt. I'm just gonna do a code sync. Just because I don't want to lose changes. What is wrong? This dock is still okay. Peeling is done here. Remove any custom error implementation. Use standard error rate. Make sure to have meaningful error messages. Update extension UI panel tools to show list of errors distinct by codes. Okay, what else? Here's the thing. Capture RS. Capture RS has good model for console record and hard record. I need some coffee, dude. The coffee is gonna get cold here. It's already getting cold. Amazing though. Not terminal coffee, unfortunately, they don't ship to India. Starbucks, this is Starbucks. I want a straightforward let's just do this. Let's just have export logs on hard record. Export rate in exporter module under internal. Actually, is this internal? This PK. I'll just do a pub reuse. That's fine. Pub export is fine. Under internal, that's implemented. That takes self and returns a result. Reload. Implement this for log record. Console record, such that it emits hotel logs to settings dot hotel character endpoint. Implement this for hard record, emits traces based on timing information. Example, for a post request, I want spans for SSL, request send, response, complete, and also something like headers, for example, right? Do not assume JSON in body, send bytes as is. Or rather send no, that's fine. Remove any reinventions, be it hotel attributes or unnecessary enums, and have straightforward don't stop until compiles. Add tests for with the fixtures JSON sample for hard and console exports. Then add generate metrics. Okay, remove metrics. Okay, so yeah, so that takes care of traces and logs being sent over in exporter. Pub export, pub use what's needed, important handler. No stupid Uncle Bob clean code. I don't want unnecessary function splits and types. Stay procedural where possible. Use functional chains only if it makes sense. Use interfaces like the one I mentioned for export. I don't want to see anything explicitly called strategy. For example, this design pattern is not the goal, just the means. What are we doing? What are we doing nowadays? Seriously. Important characters. They fixed it. How long are we in? Almost an hour already. Okay. We have. The rest of the video is just gonna be looking at what the AI has done. Let's just look at some YouTube. Or we could maybe browse some Twitter. Alright. This I saw, this was crazy. It's basically a supply chain attack on Arch, which is pretty cool. Of course, Altman was wrong, I've seen this also. Anything else, anything else, anything else, anything else, anything else, anything else. What is this? Are you kidding me? Alright, I mean this guy is... now that nobody has access to it, it's anyways another thing, but alright. Alright. I'm gonna see. Whoa! I missed such a big stand-up. No, never mind. This is an old episode. Why has he been re-uploading like this? Is there a way for YouTube to... This is 2 years old. Love that. I want to see that. It's an hour long. I can't do it on stream. Spicy. Oh gosh, podcast is amazing. T just started this podcast with vegan, so it's pretty good. 58. Can you show me some small videos, please? I get it. You done? Done. It's running tests. Telemetry mod is internally inconsistent. I don't know. Video.